I just got my new headlamp. It's got a super bright front and it's wide, not just the single spotlight. And it also has red lights on the back if you wanted to do some running or hiking at night and you want cars to be able to see you. So it's got the red light in the rear, and it also has an indicator that tells you how full the battery is. And that can flash. And it also has, this is what I'm interested in, the front headlamp. And you can dim it and you can make it pulse. Simple clicks to turn it off and on. And it also has a USB-C charger and an adjustable strap to tighten or loosen it if you wanted to put it over a hat or even a work helmet. Once you've got the straps adjusted, it slides on really easy, and with a simple reach behind you can find those buttons. There's one on each side for the clear light, or if you want the red flashing on the other side, you can hit that button. Super easy. I actually have fluorescent lights in my garage, but it's still fairly dark if I'm trying to change the oil or do some sort of auto maintenance. But with the headlamp on, you can see my hands are free. I don't have to hold a flashlight. And if I'm changing the oil or looking for a tool inside the engine that I might have dropped, this is a fantastic headlamp. I am done trying to set up spotlights on my engine to help me see while I'm working. I'll put a link in the description to the headlamp that I bought, but this is a fantastic investment if you're doing any hiking at night, if you have a power outage, or if you're trying to work on your car and you want a good light source. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.